Please come into Shavasana now and prepare yourself for a guided relaxation. Taking any extra clothing or a blanket you might need to keep nice and warm, and maybe a bolster or rolled blanket under the knees if you have any lower back sensitivity. Keeping the body in a straight line, as if you're in Tadasana mountain pose. Allow the arms and legs now to be heavy and floppy and just roll out to the sides. Please lower your chin just a tiny bit to release the back of the neck. And if you need to make any little tweaks or adjustments to your posture here, please do that now. And then the body, mind, heart can benefit from stillness during the practice. I'm going to guide you into relaxation based on tensing and letting go throughout the body. So I'm going to be asking you to tense specific areas or muscles of your body and then release them, just as best you can. So when you're ready, raise your right leg 2 inches from the ground. Point your foot to tense your calf muscles. And now release, allowing the foot to fall gently to the floor. Now raise your left leg 2 inches from the ground. Point your left foot to tense your calf muscles, and now release. You're now going to raise your right arm about 2 inches from the ground and clench your hand. Now release, letting the hand fall gently to the floor. Now raise your left arm about 2 inches from the ground and clench your hand. Now release, letting the left hand fall gently to the floor. You're going to raise your chest a little, tense, and release, allowing it to come gently back to the floor. Raise your shoulders to your ears, tense your shoulders, and release. Slowly turn the head from one side to another, and then bring your head back to center. Now you're going to focus on different areas of your body. Beginning with your toes, feel as though a wave of relaxation is slowly moving up through your entire body. Mentally relax each toe now, and then the right foot, then the left foot completely. In your mind, repeat, my toes and feet are relaxed. Feel the breath moving up the legs, relaxing the calves, the knees, and the thighs. In your mind, repeat, my calves, my knees, my thighs are relaxed. As you exhale, feel the breath coming into the hips and lower back, releasing any tension in this area and relaxing all the abdominal organs. In your mind, repeat, my hips, my lower back, My pelvis are relaxed. Visualize the breath moving up the spine, from its base below the lower back, all the way to your neck, vertebra by vertebra, releasing any tension from each part of your back. Allow the ground to support you and feel as if you're releasing deeper and deeper into the ground. In your mind, repeat, my spine is relaxed. Inhale, feeling the smoothness of the breath. And exhale, feeling the chest and ribs relax. Allow yourself to melt into the ground. You are safe to relax completely. Inhale, exhale, and bring your attention to your fingertips. Allow the breath to soften each finger and thumb. Send the breath up through your hands, your wrists, your forearms, and your upper arms. In your mind, repeat, my fingers, my thumbs, my hands, my wrists, my arms are completely relaxed. Allow the breath to move to the shoulders, allowing a wave of relaxation to move up the neck into the head, releasing any tension in this area. In your mind, repeat, my shoulders, my neck, my head are relaxed. As you exhale, relax your face, your head. Send the breath to your cheeks, softening, letting go of any tension in your face. Now bring your attention to your jaw. Allow the mouth to open slightly and soften your tongue. Feel the relaxation move into your eyes and your eyebrows. Feel your eyes resting. In your mind, repeat, my whole head, my whole face are relaxed. Give yourself a few minutes here. Everything has become quiet and calm. Take this opportunity to rest and allow your body to recharge. Remember, you're completely safe to let go and relax, using the breath to rest. 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 Now bring your awareness back to your body, the shape and form of your body. You're breathing quietly and gently. Become aware of your body from head to toe. Be aware of the floor and of the contact between your body and the floor. Become aware of the room you're in. Become aware of any sounds around you. Slowly and gently begin to move your fingers and toes. And turn the head from one side to the other. Curl one knee into your chest and then the other, and roll over to one side. Give yourself some moments in this nesting position. Keep your eyes closed, and when you're ready, gently bring yourself up to sitting. Place your palms together at the heart center. Gently bowing your head, gazing into the heart space. Being fully with the residue of this practice. Namaste.